trading. So all I need to do is to watch out for, okay, you can see it says get ready. I'm getting ready. What I'm waiting for is to receive, it's going to say enter. You can see enter. It says I should enter. Now it says it's ongoing. And you can see the exit and entry plan. And you can see that I've won the trade. And here also, it shows me that the trade, if I've taken that trade, that I would have won that trade. Okay, it shows me that I would have won that trade. You can see the entry value 1914. So let's check our real trade that I placed. Okay, this is a real trade. I placed it with $5. Our entry value was, you can see our entry value 1914.88. Okay, and C exit value here is 1913.6. You can see I, even with just 2 tick, I've won 10%. That's 10%. So I've won 10%. These accounts, I started growing this account from $3, $3.3. Now it's $8, meaning I've made like $5. Okay, you don't necessarily have to overtrade. This is one signal. The signal lapses for 1 minute 20 seconds. That's like 80 seconds. So it has not lapsed yet. That's why you're still seeing it here. Now it is all over. It has closed. The fact that there is no more signal here, we have two index. 25 is below, the bear is above. So it's still possible for there to be, right now, I would not say it's possible for there to be a signal because the time is already lapsed. Okay, okay, it's not possible for there to be a signal because the bar is a bit lower. Okay, the bar is a bit lower. Now, you may now be wondering, okay, this thing you are looking at, what is the implication of this stuff I'm looking at? I'll show you the implication of this guy. The actual essence of that is just to allow me to analyze this market like this. This was what I traded, okay? Where I traded was just here. You can see it's still more of like me looking at the market and trading it. But instead of me doing that, I've already built a program that could understand what I'm looking out for. So I don't necessarily have to be staring at the chart. I don't necessarily have to stare at this chart. Okay, I don't have to look at this chart. What thing is enough for me to look at? And that is that platform that I just showed you now. It's a breakdown of everything that is happening on the chart based on exactly what I'm looking for. So it just gives me what I'm looking for. I have the time, I have the values, I understand that the market is moving in a particular direction, but I want to trade a sell signal. I believe the market is going down. When it's going down, it tells me, oh, below BRK. So signal setup is available. Once I see this yellow and green, and it says below BRK, it means there is an opportunity for me to trade. Okay? When there is now an opportunity, it starts telling me that I should get ready. Okay? Get ready, meaning, oh, this thing is getting prepared. There is a formation I want. There is everything that I want in place. All I need to do is now, once I see enter, which is also going to show this version, green, enter, I place my trade. That's just it. And I'm trading for just 10%. 10% from 7.5% to 10.5%. So you have swifter result, quicker result when your entry is timely. So this guy lets my entry to be very timely. I'm not waiting for extra 5 seconds delay, whatever. You can see from the recording, from the previous record I had right now, that I entered immediately. Go back and watch, you see my entry point. And you can see the trade that it also showed me the result. If I had taken that trade, if I did not take that trade, it shows me the result I would have had as well. Would you have won it? Would you have caught at a loss? everything is there. This also helps me. It has a notification anyway. I've disabled my Chrome notification, so that's why it's not showing up. So it allows me to know when to place a trade, when not to place a trade. I've grown the account from, I don't know, okay, it's still on below the BRK, but this is a green bar now. A green bar is forming, so if it was a red bar, I would have said let me wait a bit so if I could do another trade, but it's a green bar. Minus is green while the positive value is red because I concentrate more on the sell direction. So these signals provide only for sell direction, okay? Only for sell direction, meaning it's going down. I don't necessarily have to wait around for it to show me the signal. Anytime I want to trade, once I pick up my phone and I open it up and I see it shows me here, oh, below BRK, meaning once I see this green setup on this signal setup, it means signal is available. There will be possibility of me seeing an entry in the next 30 minutes. In fact, in the next 15 minutes. So once I see this, I can open it up, split the screen, share the screen, and get ready to place my trade. Okay, so this is how it works, and it is fantabulous. You just need to do 2 to 3 trades, trade for like 15 good, solid, profitable days, and you are good to go. And you can be profitable every month. God bless you. See you in another video. Okay, it's just because I'm trying to record the process. I know I entered where I'm supposed to exit was where I entered. So this probably will take a bit. Okay, so I've won the trade, and you can see here it's saying ongoing. Okay, I think I've refreshed this. Okay, the status for this has not showed up, and I believe 1 minute's already over. Okay, so I've won the trade, and I'm very close to $10. With one more trade, I should be in $10. Okay, I grow this account from like $10. The second, I think there should still be another signal after this because the bar is also big. Okay, the bar is also big. This is where you get to see what okay, you can see this guy here. This bar is big. Okay, so the next session should give me a signal as well. So let's wait and see. So here we're waiting for it says get ready. So we'll be waiting for enter. Enter. You can see enter right there. Okay. Immediately you see enter, you enter, then you see ongoing. Ongoing means the trade is now ongoing. You can see I've won my trade. When you enter exactly when you should enter, you're going to have good results. But when you delay, the reason why I prefer this over giving out signals, the signals coming on Telegram, the signals coming on MetaTrader 5, giving people the rule of 5 seconds, make sure you have entered the trade under 5 seconds and the likes. Like you can see, 3 trades have been done and they were all won. Okay, 3 trades, 3 signals, they were all won. Now, is it possible that you enter into a trade and you experience a loss? Yes, it is possible. You see, out of 10, you're going to see 1 or 2 that are going to give you something like that. So I started this account from $3 to $10. That's almost like whooping 200%. So it's more of like I just made like $7 on top of the money. And I did that with this signal. I traded 25. I traded beer. Now, you will not get beer on MT5. You will not get, the beer market is not available on MT5. The volatility 25 is available on MT5. But the beer market and the bull market are one of the markets that they'll refresh every day. Okay, they'll get reset every day. Okay, the price always moves from whatever. Right now, the price is on 875. So it always moves from 1,000. If it is bear, it's going down, sell direction. If it is bull, it's going up. So this is the way I use the signal. Once I'm done 2 to 3 trades, you are good. You are okay. You are very, very okay. So I would like to withdraw this now. God bless you. See you in another time.